All right, guys. Well, that about concludes our Ableton basic training course. Um, I hope you guys learned some stuff. I hope I explained it clear enough for you guys. I mean, if there's a concept that you aren't really sure about, or something we covered that you wish I went more in depth in, definitely go on Academy's website. There's resources from a bunch of amazing producers, really talented guys. Um, guys who really know what they're talking about. Um, there's just so much in here to get into. I wanted to just try to simplify it for you guys and try to keep it at at base level as possible. But I mean, the best thing that you can do is practice. Like, just get in there and start messing around. And you know, one of my instructors from music school I went to, he said that whenever you don't know what something does, just turn it all the way up, and then you'll find out what it does. And and he's right. You can find out a lot of ways of just messing around and just trying out new things. That's how new sounds get discovered, or new techniques get discovered. Don't be caught up so much in the rules of what everybody says. Oh, you should always do this or never do that. Just kind of just freestyle it. Do it yourself. Go out there and just practice. That's the best way I could tell you to get better, is just practice, practice, practice as much as you can. And I mean, you're already taking the right step. You're trying to educate yourself. You're trying to get informed. But what's more important than knowledge is actually applied knowledge. Going in there, trying out what you learned, and trying new things. So, anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the course. I had a lot of fun recording this one, and I hopefully will see you in the next course. Peace.